SMS marketing is like sending a text message, but for businesses. Instead of one-on-one conversations, you're sending updates, promotions, and information to a group of customers who have signed up to hear from you. It's direct, it's personal, and it gets your message seen. Imagine sending a text about a flash sale to your loyal customers, or a quick reminder about an upcoming appointment. That's SMS marketing in action. It's all about building relationships with your customers right on their phones. It's marketing that fits in their pocket and gets their attention. So, how do businesses actually use SMS marketing? Think of it as a direct line to your customers' pockets. They sign up for your messages, giving you permission to stay in touch. You can use SMS marketing to send targeted messages about new products, special offers, or limited-time discounts. Let's say you're a clothing retailer running a weekend sale. You can send a quick text to your subscribers. Hey there, get 50% off all jeans this weekend only. Shop now. Link to your website. But it's not just about sales. You can use SMS marketing to send appointment reminders, shipping notifications, or even personalized birthday messages. It's all about keeping your brand top of mind and building stronger relationships with your customers. Now, you might be wondering, how is SMS marketing different from email marketing or social media? That's a great question. While all of these methods are valuable for reaching your audience, SMS marketing offers a unique set of advantages. First off, it's incredibly direct and personal. People are more likely to open and read a text message compared to an email that might get lost in their inbox. Plus, SMS messages have a much higher open rate than emails. Secondly, SMS marketing allows for instant communication. Your message reaches your customers in seconds, making it perfect for time-sensitive promotions or urgent updates. Finally, SMS marketing is highly interactive. You can ask questions, gather feedback, and even hold contests or polls directly through text messages. Section 4. Why your business needs SMS marketing. Why should your business jump on the SMS marketing bandwagon? In today's fast-paced digital world, staying connected with your customers is more important than ever. SMS marketing offers a direct and personal way to reach your audience, cutting through the noise of other marketing channels. Here's the bottom line. It delivers impressive results. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, SMS marketing can significantly enhance your marketing efforts and drive tangible outcomes. Let's break down the key benefits. First and foremost, SMS marketing boasts incredibly high open rates. High open rates. People are glued to their phones, and SMS messages have an astounding 98% open rate. That's huge compared to emails' average 20%. This means your message is almost guaranteed to be seen by your audience. Your message is practically guaranteed to be seen. This high visibility ensures that your marketing efforts are not wasted and that your communication reaches its intended target. Increased engagement. SMS marketing encourages immediate action. When people receive a text message, they are more likely to respond quickly. Whether it's clicking a link, replying to a message, or making a purchase, people are more likely to engage with a text than any other marketing channel. This immediacy can lead to higher conversion rates and more successful marketing campaigns. Improved customer relationships. SMS marketing allows you to personalize your communication, send timely reminders, and offer exclusive deals, fostering a sense of loyalty and connection with your customers. Personalization is key in today's market, and SMS provides a perfect platform for it. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing methods like print ads or direct mail, SMS marketing is incredibly affordable, making it a budget-friendly option for small businesses. You can reach a large audience without breaking the bank. In a nutshell, SMS marketing helps you reach the right people at the right time with the right message. It's a versatile tool that can be used for various purposes, from promotional offers to customer service updates. It's a powerful tool for boosting engagement, driving sales, and building lasting customer relationships. By integrating SMS marketing into your overall strategy, you can create a more cohesive and effective marketing plan that resonates with your audience and drives results. Additionally, SMS marketing provides valuable insights and analytics. You can track open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, allowing you to measure the success of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. This data can help you refine your strategies, understand your audience better, and continuously improve your marketing efforts. The ability to adapt and optimize your campaigns is crucial in today's competitive market. In conclusion, SMS marketing is not just a trend. It's a powerful and effective marketing tool that can help your business thrive. By leveraging the benefits of high open rates, increased engagement, improved customer relationships, cost-effectiveness, and valuable insights, you can create a successful SMS marketing strategy that drives growth and success for your business. So don't wait any longer. Start exploring the potential of SMS marketing today and see the difference it can make for your business. Embrace this dynamic marketing channel and watch your business reach new heights. Section 5. SMS Marketing Success Stories. In this section, we will explore how some of the most successful companies have harnessed the power of SMS marketing to achieve remarkable results. Don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some real-world examples of businesses that have knocked it out of the park with SMS marketing. These stories will illustrate the versatility and effectiveness of this powerful marketing tool. Starbucks, the coffee giant, uses SMS marketing to promote new drinks, send personalized offers, and even let customers check their reward points balance. By sending timely and relevant messages, they keep their customers engaged and coming back for more. They've seen impressive results, including a significant increase in customer engagement and repeat purchases. Their strategy involves sending out messages at optimal times, ensuring that their promotions are seen and acted upon. Pizza Hut craving pizza? Pizza Hut knows how to tempt your taste buds with SMS marketing. They have mastered the art of creating mouth-watering offers that are hard to resist. They send out exclusive deals, limited time offers, and even allow customers to order their favorites via text message. This convenience has made it easier for customers to satisfy their pizza cravings quickly and effortlessly. The result? Increased sales and a whole lot of happy pizza lovers. Their SMS campaigns have not only boosted their revenue, but also strengthened customer loyalty. These are just a couple of examples of how businesses are using SMS marketing to drive incredible results. From large corporations to small businesses, SMS marketing has proven to be a game changer. No matter your industry or size, there's a good chance SMS marketing can help you achieve your business goals. Whether you're looking to increase sales, improve customer engagement, or simply keep your audience informed, SMS marketing offers a direct and effective way to reach your customers. So, why not give it a try and see the difference it can make for your business? Section 6. Getting started with SMS marketing. Ready to dive into the world of SMS marketing? It's an exciting and highly effective way to reach your audience directly on their mobile devices. With open rates as high as 98%, SMS marketing can significantly boost your engagement and conversion rates. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, you need to choose an SMS marketing platform. This is crucial because the right platform will provide you with the tools you need to manage your campaigns efficiently. Choose an SMS marketing platform. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms out there designed specifically for SMS marketing. Look for features like automation, analytics, and ease of use. Some popular options include Twilio, Easy Texting, and Simple Texting. We'll discuss some key factors to consider when choosing the right one in the next section. These factors include cost, scalability, and customer support. Make sure to do your research and maybe even try out a few free trials to see which platform fits your needs best. Build your subscriber list. You can't send SMS messages without people to send them to. Start by gathering your existing customer contacts and then expand your list by attracting new subscribers. Start building your subscriber list by offering incentives like exclusive discounts or early access to promotions in exchange for their mobile number. You can promote these incentives through your website, social media channels, and even in-store. Be sure to get explicit consent from your customers before adding them to your list. This is not only a best practice but also a legal requirement in many regions. Make sure your customers understand what they are signing up for and how often they can expect to hear from you. Craft engaging messages. Keep your messages short, sweet, and to the point. The character limit for SMS is 160 characters, so make every word count. Use language that resonates with your audience and encourages them to take action. Use clear calls to action. Personalize your content whenever possible. And don't forget to include your brand name. Personalization can be as simple as including the recipient's name or tailoring the message based on their past behavior or preferences. Remember, SMS marketing is all about delivering value to your subscribers. Whether it's a special offer, a useful tip, or important information, make sure your messages are worth their time. Make sure your messages are relevant, engaging, and beneficial to your audience. Regularly review your campaign performance and customer feedback to continually improve your SMS marketing strategy. By doing so, you'll build a loyal subscriber base that looks forward to your messages.